Don't attack me.
Play with her. I'm gonna play with you.
Zoey. Hey, come on. Psst, 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 psst. Come on. Psst, 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 psst. Good morning, everybody. We're gonna play with the Zoey. And I need to edit and charge this camera. So, yeah, I don't know what time everybody's coming over tonight or today. So, yeah. We're gonna edit and play with her and charge this camera. Where is it? There's a bird that keeps flying over in this area. And yesterday it was over there bothering her. It was just over here, now it's gone. Huh. Where'd it go? Oh, that's not it. See, she's so scared. She was sleeping so nicely. It's okay, Zoey. Oh, look at her. She's afraid of the bag. The bird really scared her. Look, her hair is like sticking up. You're okay. You're okay. It was just a crazy bird. Everything is like freaking her out right now. You're okay. I don't know where he went. The second I turned the camera on, he was like gone. The bird was back. Let's go see if it's still there. Zoey, is that birdie taunting you? Is that birdie taunting you? There it is. It just ran into the window. Okay, so Sam and I had cheesecake last night. We still have some left over from mine. And I brought it home for Mom. But I'm gonna have a little bit. So I'm gonna have a few bites of it and then save the rest. Oh, it's so dark. You can't.
You can see lots of stars too. Look over there.
Oh.
You can't do
Not
that.
on the camera though.
I was gonna say.
Do you see the lighthouse?
Road. You want me to look up, down, right? I'm trying to focus on that. Excuse me, say the F word.
Who?
Sam. I'm trying to focus. I was like, whoa, whoa, what?
And then the car that has eyelashes. Do you see this car has eyelashes? Alright, everybody. It is time to go to bed. I'm exhausted. We went out to a little tiki bar with live music. I was gonna try and film some of it, but it was really packed tonight. Like, people were just everywhere. And I don't know. We couldn't really see, so I was like, eh, it's pointless. But yeah, I'm tired. I have a headache. I don't know what's going on. My head is just killing me. This little kitty, though, is being adorable. Even though today she was kind of being a butthead. I took her collar off and she, like, ran. And for, like, a good hour or so, every time I tried to catch her to put her collar back on, she would hiss and growl at me. So I finally got her collar back on her. Victory. I won. But I'm going to head to bed. Tomorrow is going to be another day of going to making more posters and stuff and putting them up around the neighborhood for the ones that have been taken down. I don't know. So that's what Mom and I are going to do tomorrow. But as of right now, I'm going to head to bed. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Hopefully you had a great morning, evening, and night whenever you're watching this. Hopefully you have a lovely, beautiful smile on your face. And I will talk to you all lovelies in the morning. Good night. Bye. Say good night. Oh, so pretty, girl. Good night.